Welcome to this video guide on testing power transformers. This resource is designed to provide engineering students with a practical overview of standard diagnostic procedure. Safety is the highest priority when working with electrical equipment. Always de-energize the system, effectively manage fault currents, and ensure secondary windings are properly earthed according to safety standards. Before testing, conduct a visual inspection. Check the tank for oil leaks, inspect bushings for any cracks, and examine the breather's silica gel. Remember, if 50% of the gel has changed color, it requires replacement. To measure insulation health, apply a 5,000-volt DC test using a Megger. Calculate the polarization index by dividing the 60-second resistance by the 15-second resistance. A result greater than 2.0 indicates healthy insulation. Testing winding resistance helps identify loose connections or broken wires. By applying a known DC current and measuring the voltage drop, we can calculate I²R losses. Next, verify the voltage ratio. Apply low AC voltage to the primary side, measure the secondary output, and compare the results to the manufacturer's label. The error must remain within 5%. To confirm phase relationships, we consider the vector group, which dictates the phase shift. By shorting specific terminals and applying a three-phase supply, we can verify correct phasing. When checking magnetic flux, apply voltage to one phase and measure the induced voltage in the other two. These voltages must be balanced. Any imbalance serves as a warning of a shorted turn. Core losses are found during an open circuit test. Leave the secondary side open, apply the full rated voltage to the primary, and use a wattmeter to record the resulting power. Conversely, to find copper losses, perform a short circuit test. Short the secondary side and apply a low voltage, typically 7 to 10% of the rated value, to the primary. In summary, the open circuit test uses rated voltage to find core loss, while the short circuit test uses low voltage with the shorted secondary to find copper loss. Follow this standard testing sequence. Begin with a visual inspection, test insulation health, verify voltage and phase, and finally measure performance losses. Before energizing, perform a final check. Ensure oil levels are correct, confirm that relays like the Buchholz are properly set, and verify that all earth connections are secure. With these diagnostic procedures complete, your transformer is ready for service. Thank you for following this guide.